Hello everyone, I am Anjan and welcome to the 15th video tutorial of the Verilog course series. In this video, you will be getting to know how the 2 is to 4 decoder works and how to design a Verilog code for it. For a better understanding, I split the video into 3 parts, that is pre-coding part, coding part and the post-coding part. Let's move on to the pre-coding part. In the pre-coding part, you will be seeing the functionality of the 2 is to 4 decoder, and you can see that it is just similar to the 1 is to 4 demultiplexer that I haven't covered in my video tutorials, but I have covered an 1 is to 8 demultiplexer, which is just similar to the 1 is to 4 demultiplexer. And in the 1 is to 4 demultiplexer, you will be having, in place of 1 1 1 here, you will be having D, which means there the input, it can be either 0 or 1. And if you watch my previous video on 1 is to 8 demultiplexer video, you can easily identify how it works. If you don't watch it, do check out it in my previous videos on the StartScratch YouTube channel playlist. And coming to here, the functionality is, if it is 0 a comma b, if we concatenate it like it is a single, if it is now two 1-bit numbers, if we concatenate it, we will be getting one 2-bit number, that is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, like say 0 1 2 0 1 2 3. For 0, the value of q0 is 1. If 1, the value of q1 is 1. For the value of 2, the value of q2 is 1. And for the 3, the value of q3 is 1. All the rest of the other values are zeros. It will drive two inputs, that is AB concatenating each other and giving the 4 outputs, that is q0, q1, q2, q3. Let's move on to the coding part. Here I used for loop, and first is first, my module name is underscore 224 DEC decoder, and here is my inputs, that is enable pin. I used enable pin here, like E, if enable is 1, the enable pin is 1, the process will go. If the enable is 0, my output will be 0. And AB are my inputs, and 1-bit inputs, and output register 4-bit Y. I mentioned here register because it is being used in the procedural block, that is always block. And I taken an integer I because I am using here for loop. To increment the values of the for loop, I taken the I value integer. Its maximum value is up to 32-bit. I already said that if enable is 0, then the Y will be equal to 0 output. Else, for I is incrementing from 0 to 3, if concatenation of A comma B, that is like 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, that is value 0 1 2 3, if equal to I, means if I equal to 0, concatenation of AB also 0, then Y of 0 equal to 1. Here concatenation of AB is 0, Y of Q of Y of 0, here there I used Y in place of Q, Y of 0 equal to 1. Else all the other cases are equal to 0. Similarly, if I equal to 3, 1 2 3 any of the values, the concatenation of AB equal to 1 2 3 any values, the Y of 1 2 3 values will be equal to 1, and the other rest of the values will be equal to 0. And here ended the always block, and here ended the module itself. Let's move to the post coding part, that is on the tool. Here is my code of the 2 to 4 decoder, and here I pre-simulated it to save the time. First of all, I will be giving enable as 0 to get the values, to get all the Y values to 0. Even if I am giving A and B or not, it doesn't matter, because if enable is 0, all the values will be turned to 0 Y values. Let's run it for 10 seconds. Here I got it, Y values are all equal to 0. Now I will be giving enable as 1 so that my system will work. AB as 0 0 so that I will be getting I of y of 0 equal to 1. Let's run it for 10 nanoseconds. Here I got it. Y of 0 equal to 1. Here it is. You can also check it for 0 1 so that I will be getting y of 1 equal to 1 and this will be turning into 0. Here it turned into 0 and it y of 1 turned into 1. Let's see the schematic part. Here is my schematic part with the input ports EAB. Enable is the main input port and here is my output Y. Here we are using 5 cells, that is multiplexer. 5 are the multiplexers, 2:1 multiplexer specifically, and here I got the schematic. If you want to explore more in the Verilog questions, you can check the description box below for exploring more questions on Verilog. And if you like the video, do like the video and subscribe to StarScratch YouTube channel. Thank you.